Welcome back. It's time for another Kiwi Crate unboxing. This one is Exploring Stars. You're going to build a spinning model of the Earth, Moon, and Sun and create a constellation lantern. We love space at our house, so that is super exciting. Every Kiwi Crate comes with a full instruction manual for all the projects. They have all the supplies that come in the kit, and they also have a grown-up involvement bar for each project and a messiness indicator, which I absolutely love. I especially love the grown-up involvement because then you can see if you actually have time to work on it at that time that they want to do it. I just love that. Okay, so in this crate, you'll learn about the constellations in the night sky and then imagine and design your own. You'll also play with planetary gears and use them to engineer a model system of the sun, earth, and moon. So here's the constellation lantern. That is super cute. She will love that. This is for my daughter. She's 5. My mom gives this to her for a Christmas present and a birthday present each year. So 6 months for each one. One of the things I love about Kiwi Crates are the instructions. You can see each instruction is so short and just one step, and then they have pictures of what it is to make sure you're doing it right. It's so good for kids to learn to follow instructions that are written down because you use that your whole life. They also have these extra questions to help them think about what they're learning. It's just such a good product. We love them here. It talks about engineering and about science that you're using to do this. On the back, they have their social media sites to share the pictures of what you made in the Kiwi Crate. Every Kiwi Crate comes with a big sticker, and the first box you get when you start this has a poster that has a sticker spot for every project. You just put the sticker on when you complete each project. I'm not sure what the poster is, otherwise I'd show it to you. Every Kiwi Crate also comes with a magazine. It's in a comic book style, and the story explains more about what they're learning in the Kiwi Crate. And they also have extra projects to do. So these Kiwi Crates can last quite a while. The main kit usually has 2 to 3 projects, and then this one has 2 to 3 more. So it's just great quality for your money. It talks about the science of stars, and it says making moonlight. Oh, to show the phases of the moon. That's fun. Creating constellations. Solar oven s'mores. That's a fun project. And then if you want to send a letter to Steve, he's a little bird, then you can send it to their address. Get a little quiz up here too from what you just learned. These are just so great. Here's all the materials that come in this. We've never been short any materials. They've always all been included. The materials are really good quality. The wood's nice and thick. It doesn't bend and break. A little tea light for the lantern. Black star. He's making the model of the moon orbiting the earth. Yeah, so these are so great. You should definitely get these for your kids. You can try just a month at a time, or 3 months, or 6 months, or a year. We love having these as part of our homeschool. We just stop what we're doing and all the kids work on their crates. They love it. I'll have a link for you in the description below. So please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.